Today I'm going to show you a channel review of the Budget Bounce. So the Budget Bounce is a personal finance YouTube channel. She has 2.93 subscribers, so just under 3K. That's awesome. I'm going to look at Channellytics first. Now Channellytics, if you have TubeBuddy, it is a great plugin that you can look at other channels and different aspects of their channel, which is awesome. I absolutely love TubeBuddy. I'll have them linked down below. The free version, honestly, it doesn't cut it. I definitely recommend going up a tier at least, and it's worth every penny. So let's look at her stats. So total lifetime, total views, she has 232,000 views, 145 videos. So she's definitely put in a great amount of work with 145 videos. And then the last 30 days, she has 4.98 thousand views, so just about 5K views, and has done 3 videos. So we can see her views here in the last 30 days. Now, if you have TubeBuddy, it's going to compare you to them, which is awesome that you can see. Subscribers, she's gotten 27 subscribers in the last 30 days. And videos this month, so she has done 3 videos. Then you can see her channel keywords. So she has budget, budgeting, budget bounce, the budget bounce, living life on a budget. This is great. This is how YouTube can help classify your channel. If you don't know about channel keywords, I have a video on my channel that goes over how to add them. Super easy, and some SEO tips in that video as well. So definitely check it out. I have it linked below. Uploads. So we can see here her uploads, and that's great that it is up in front center is her upload. So you can see the most recent uploads right there, right under her homepage. Popular uploads is next, which is great to show some credibility. Budget with me, these are probably her most popular videos here. Budget reports, that's next. And then she has a playlist here, debt and depression. Small person finance channels you don't want to miss. This is great. She's featuring some other community members, so this shows that she is into the community. Her playlists are here. This is great. This is a great homepage. A lot on here. Past live streams and then featured channels as well. Oh, look, there is my other main channel, Kelly and Smith. So this is a great homepage. I'm really impressed with this. This is awesome. Her channel banner is great. It is straight into the point. It has her branding color. As you can see, it is clearly purple. And the budget bounce, her channel name, who she is, living life on a budget, finding financial freedom, budgeting your way out of debt. We know exactly what her channel is all about right there. That is great. And let's look at her videos. So I'm looking at her branding, and is her, videos popping for me? Is it setting apart from other videos? She's doing a really good job. The only thing that I would recommend is doing a little bit more like this video here, but I would even do it even more to the extreme and doing your cutouts even more. I have a full tutorial on how to do this. I really think that it could help make them pop a lot more. And then also play around with the lighting of the video, the exposure, all of that to really make it pop. But I like that your picture is the main focus of the thumbnail, and then you have your words on the left. That's really important to have the words on the left, because a lot of times it'll get cut off by the timestamp. And a lot of people don't even think about the timestamp, the 2636. So that's really important to look at. Here is 2 videos that would be helpful for this: how to add a drop shadow in Canva, and then how to do a white outline. I actually now combine both of these when I create my pictures for my thumbnail. So definitely check them out. And I'll have both of these linked down below for you in the description. Let's look next at her playlists. So she's got some playlists here, her channel playlist, 2021 budgets, 22 budgets, all the way back. Reviews and unboxing. I would probably do a little bit more SEO on these, Jen. I would do maybe budget with me, 2022 budget with me video, something like that, so that you can get some SEO in your playlist. That's going to be really important as well. And you want to also fill out the description for your playlist. That's going to help with SEO. So you want to make sure that there's SEO keywords in your playlist description as well. Next is save playlists. These are ones that she has saved. I personally, this is just a personal preference, I keep these private because these are more for me that I'm going to and watching these playlists, not necessarily for other people, because they're, having other people's videos and then versus your own. That's just my own personal preference, but that's totally up to you. Next is community. So she is using her community tab. That's awesome. This is a great way to connect with your audience. I think promoting videos in here is great. Polls are great. Videos, pictures, just a great way to connect with your audience is great there. Channels, these are her subscriptions, small personal finance channels, and featured channels. This is great. About, this is great. This is filled in. So we want to have a description that's explaining your channel, your details, your email address, and then your links as well. So this is great. Let's look at some of her videos. I'm going to go to her most recent video here, and I'm going to pause it. Now, since I have TubeBuddy, I can actually take a look at her tags, which is awesome. So I can see that she's using tags here. I can even go to search rankings and see what she is ranking for. So she is ranking #1 in this long-term keyword. She's ranking #1 in our real numbers, #1 our real numbers budget. These are great, Jen. She's ranking 9 in July 2022 budget report. That's a great number. The budget bounce, #2, household budget, #9. So what this means is if you type in household budget into YouTube, she's going to be the 9th video down. So that's great. And this one, our real number, she's going to be the #1 video in YouTube search. So that's what these numbers here. This is going to be the 17th video down, the 15th video down. You want it to be as close to 1 as possible. Let's also look here at her description. So she has a basic description here. Get her budget on Etsy. That's great. Some of her top videos here that she wants you. Social media, referral links, and when finance, that's great. Video editing software that she uses, and then also her disclaimer. This is so important to have in all of your videos is your disclaimer. Let's look at her comments. Okay, so she's getting comments here, and she is replying to those comments. I can see here that she replied to every single comment. That is great, especially if your channel, I would say, is under 5K. You should be replying to almost all of your comments. Even if you just take a minute or two, then definitely reply to your comments. That really builds your community trust. All right, let's look at her top videos. So I can go to most popular. All right, so who won't be receiving stimulus payments? That's her most popular video. Debt confession, 401k loan. So this is great to see what her audience is really gravitating towards and her top videos that she has. Overall, Jen, this is great. I am very impressed with your channel. You are doing awesome. Super proud of you. Up next, check out my tips on how to make your thumbnails pop in this video right here.